All right, everybody, in under 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to replace my 2 virtual assistants who I've had for over 3 years, who I love dearly, but I couldn't pay them any longer if I could do what they did in seconds with AI. So I'm going to show you how I replaced them, and it saved me over $3,000 a month just getting these services. There's just 2 of them I'm going to show you right now, and it saved me hours, time, and it's only like $150 a month for what I'm about to show you. And I've talked to the owners of these companies, and they've been able to give me a discount specific to the link I'm going to give you. If you want to try it out, this isn't a pitch to sell you on this stuff. I'm just saying this has saved me tons of time, and I'm excited to show you guys because, again, it saved me thousands of dollars and thousands of hours. And here we go. So I've invested a lot of time into my YouTube channel. I've paid for coaching. I've gone to masterminds. Basically, what I've learned is with YouTube, you go niche and you also make videos that are search engine optimized, right? So that means if someone searches "sell my house fast," then you show up for that title, right? Or you show up for that type of genre. This is one of the videos that I have not optimized yet. As you can see, my virtual assistant was making the thumbnails. He'd make the title. He'd go in and he'd make the description and the tags. If you don't know what any of this means, it basically just helps your video get discovered. So I didn't really know if he was doing a good job or not. I just trusted it. But I've recently stumbled upon AI that does what he does in seconds, and it's better. Unfortunately for him, it's better than what he was doing. All you do is you put in your YouTube video and then you press start. So what it just did in less than a minute is it came up with a title that's searchable, SEO optimized. It came up with a description that's going to help us get searched. It broke down the chapters, put good tags. It scores your title. So if you're like, nah, I like that title more, you can do it, or you can change your title to whatever the heck you want. It does a transcription of the video. So you literally can take this into Chat GPT and be like, hey, make this a email, make this a text, make this into content, a blog. I was paying $30 a month for Otter AI to do this, and it does it within the service, okay? It creates thumbnails. So you can say, hey, I don't like this thumbnail. I want to include my face. And it regenerates it, and you can update it within the platform. So I no longer have to pay a guy to do thumbnails. On top of all this craziness is it can create shorts. You can tell it, okay, what hook, color, style, the captions, and it will bulk schedule it for you. So you go like this, and you say, yes, continue, put on all these platforms that are here, and it will schedule it out. Even goes back through older videos, and it's like, hey, those other videos you had, they sucked. Here's how you can optimize them. Now, this does post to a couple of different platforms, but the only other service that I'm really using AI for that I would definitely recommend that you guys get, if you already have content, this platform, it's set up like Go High Level, where you can create workflows where you can say, hey, if I have a podcast of 500 episodes, I want you every day or 2 times a day to take these and post them on all these platforms. And it does it automatically for you. It also, when it does post, you can say post with a comment, post with a link. It literally does everything for you, so you don't have to do it. And I was paying a virtual assistant, another one, to post for me and to make content. So now I've made so much content over the years, I can just repurpose stuff that I have that's already there, or brand new stuff that hits that I'm posting on my YouTube. It will post on all these different platforms. And guys, this is something I couldn't have paid like 10 virtual assistants to do. They wouldn't have been able to do it. But with AI, what this is doing is it takes all my content and it posts it every day on all my platforms, 135, 131, 132. Incredible. I'm just stoked, guys, because this is saving me thousands of dollars and hours of my time, and I can take my mind and put it somewhere else. All I have to do is focus on making good YouTube content that will get dispersed and cut up and sent in to other platforms. What I've done is I've gone back through my YouTube channel, and I'm like, hey, help me optimize all these. And I've been able to optimize these, and now my channel is growing, the views are growing. So all because people are able to search my stuff now. They were before, but this is just better. It's way more dialed in. So if any of you guys want to save hours of your life, cut down on expenses, and let go of your virtual assistants, well, this is what you need. Guys, I've talked to the owners, and on this platform, I can get you a discount if you use my link that I'm going to give you. The other one, if you want to repurpose your stuff, definitely I would use this platform. So these are the 2 I use. If you have any other further questions, you can ask me. I've spent hours and hours trying to dial in my content. Again, not the best content creator in the world, but I definitely have put a lot out there, and I've streamlined the system, and hopefully it can help you guys out too. So talk to you guys later.